Hey, what's going on, family? It's your boy Jo, back with another video. Today we doing the follow-up to my first impressions video ride on this scooter right here, the NAVEE UT5 Max. If you saw that video, okay, crazy, I see you. If you saw that video, you know that it was a little all over the place. I said 500 times. I said ugly 500 times. But speaking of ugly, look at this dude smoking weed. Here we go again. No, seriously though. But I didn't really give you guys like a good impressions on, you know, it was more like a reaction. I should have named that video First Reactions, because that was my first time really riding a scooter and getting the hang of it and stuff like that. So it's a little all over the place. This video, I try to give you more of my impressions on what I think about the scooter. I mean, in general, the scooter itself is definitely cool. I mean, I don't feel like I took a loss, or my point is, I definitely got what I bought. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. I got what I wanted, I bought what I wanted. Yeah, I guess that makes more sense. Like, it's just that riding a scooter in general, it's something different and new to me. I'm used to being on 4 wheels or 2 wheels. My car and my triple as the train goes by. And, oh, apologies guys, the train is still going. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm used to, wow, KB, y'all more. Oh, focus on these potholes, please, thanks. So I'm used to being on 2 wheels or 4 wheels and sitting down, no matter if I'm in my car or on my bike, motorcycle. So standing up is definitely a new experience. Standing up on 2 wheels, standing up, oh, okay. Standing up on these little wheels, even though for the scooter size, 12 inch is a good size. You see most of the scooters these people ride have like 10-inch wheels and whatnot. I didn't want one like that because these potholes in NYC are serious, so needed. Oh, okay, let me get over, tuck mines in. Yeah, I didn't want to be out here. You see that pothole right there? I don't know if y'all saw that, but that pothole with a 10-inch tire, I don't think the outcome will be good. So the tires are good. That was a consideration. And another consideration was that I wanted something with, how you say it, the tire tread. I wanted that to be street tires as opposed to those off-road NAVEE tires that you see a lot of these scooters with. Because you can see right here, well, you can see right there, that's something else you see. But this is the concrete jungle, so those tires, I mean, that tread on this type of pavement, I don't think is ideal. So another check for the NAVEE because it has street tires included. Whoa. We're going on the sidewalk. That's another good thing about the scooter right here too. Just jump on the sidewalk and be a pedestrian if you want. I could have just walked it or rode it. Get right back into the action. Right back into the street. So it's a check for scooter riding in general. Like, it definitely failed. Okay, it definitely serves its purposes. But back to the scooter itself, as this lady is being a lady driver. Typical. Wow, almost took that guy out. She's mad at him. I'm mad at her. crazy the amount of trains that pass here. These are residential buildings too. Imagine paying rent and you gotta hear that every day. I mean, people gotta live somewhere, right? But Jesus, I guess be grateful for where you live at, cause sheesh. But like I was saying, back to the scooter itself, we in sport mode right now. The acceleration, I'm starting to get used to it. I did have a electric bike. I had a E-Moto Talaria XXX. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. So I'm used to like the throttle response of an electric vehicle. I just had to get like reused to it, I guess. That's what was throwing me off in the first video. Like every time I hit the throttle, the instant kick. It's like, and it's silent too. You know, like on a motorcycle, you turn the throttle, you hear it rev, and you know that it's time to go. But this right here, this is oh wow, I was in boost mode, which you definitely don't want. Another thing we don't want is to be next to this guy. But it's craziness, so we'll take advantage of being on the scooter and dip out. Okay. So the throttle response is good in sport mode because it's a single motor. Like I said in the other video, I definitely didn't want a dual motor. I wasn't trying to be a speed demon out here on something like this. So it definitely does the job. So let's just check for acceleration, throttle response, top speed. Haven't even gotten close. Or we've been doing like 20, maybe fake 25, probably like 23. But still, I think that's, you know, for these conditions, it's mad like stop and go. Maybe one day, oh, okay, yeah, because why signal? What are you doing? We all want to know. Still don't know. Probably another female driver if I had to guess. NAVEE. Yep, typical. So like I was saying, oh yeah, top speed. Definitely not getting close to the 31 miles per hour that this thing is capable of, but it's good to know that I have it, because sometimes I do have to merge into traffic that's not as stop as go as this. You gotta really be on the throttle. Should I try to sneak past these people even though they can't hit me? All right, why not? Oh, you see this pothole? Bet you ain't gonna sneak past that. All right, we doing it. Let's post up right here. Inch up, inch up, inch up. Watch the intersection and we off. Bang. What else? The brakes. The brakes are good. I mean, I don't have any complaints. I haven't really been going fast enough to really been forced to use them. But when I press them, like, they do the job. It's definitely don't leave me feeling like I'm lacking anything. What I like more than the brakes is the regenerative, the regen brakes. Yeah, let's just call it that. The regen brakes, which is pretty dope. It reminds me of my motorcycle, whereas when I let off the gas, it'll automatically slow down, sort of like engine braking on the motorcycle, which is kind of dope. So another reason why I don't have to constantly mash on the brakes. What next? Suspension. I mean, I guess you got to put things in perspective. When you look at it from the perspective of me being on the street triple with, does it fake have Olins? Whatever it has is way more plush than this. This is a little, I don't know. It's a little rocky. You hit a pothole or a bump on this, you definitely feel it. The bike trail, fake bike path that needs to be repaved as this guy jets through. Oh, let me slow down. What am I doing? My bad, y'all. No disrespect. Fail. Okay, so like I was saying, the suspension, yeah, it's not, I don't know, I guess it's decent because it does have the dual fork in the front as well as suspension in the back, which I believe is adjustable. I haven't tweaked it yet, but for suspension, I guess it's better than the suspension on these scooters. See, like right now, you got to get on the gas a little because it's a little tight. Some behind me is giving me space, which is dope. Shout out to him. But right now, what's that, 17? You know, you got to get on the throttle a little bit. You can't be scared forever. But this guy see me, he see the traffic cop. I'm getting over here. Those people crazy on that side. Okay, this seems like we in a cut. But suspension, man. What else? The scooter size, I feel like it's a nice size because I'm a pretty big guy. 5'11", like 200 pounds on a good day. So suspension, not suspension, the size of the scooter, I don't feel like, oh, look at this guy, nice. I don't feel like what do you call it, a circus animal on one of those circus bikes. Nothing like that. Good on the size of the vehicle. What else? I don't know, looking around, I don't know, electronics, display. Y'all can watch reviews on that. See, like right now, see, I'm eating all of these little micro bumps, like eating them. I don't know, I feel like the suspension could have been a little better. But, like I was saying before, to put things in perspective, you see those scooters, those little scooters, I wish we passed one. I'm surprised we didn't, because you usually see those things everywhere. The suspension that those things have compared to this, I couldn't even imagine. It's like, there go one right over there. I don't know if you can see her across the street. See her? Like the suspension on that thing, imagine if this, mi amor, pero mira su suspension allá. Doña, dime a ver. Okay. Yeah, so what else? I don't know. All in all, I guess, I'm content with my purchase. But I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna try to spin you or nothing. Part of me kind of feel like I should have got that e-bike, that e-moto. Look at this ugly dude rushing, not even looking. Look at your peripheral still. Todavía no. Ahora sí. Fail. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'd have been way more comfortable sitting down. I already had a e-bike, I knew what to expect, this, that, the third, the fourth. Which way we going? All right, I'm gonna take y'all down here. I wanted to go over there, but we'll come back. Go down and then come back. Show y'all this beautiful park at the end. They got some school over there. I don't know what kind of school it is, but they be having like track meets, and there's always like buses full of college-looking kids or something like that. Who knows? But back to the scooter. I mean, it's definitely different, but I will say, second day being on it, I feel way more, I feel way more comfortable on it. Fake comfortable. So, see the feel right there? That's what I was talking about. They be having like games and stuff like that. See something, I see Lions. I know they're the Detroit Lions, but who am I to judge? So yeah, it's cool, and I'm definitely not gonna waste my money. We gonna be riding this bad boy right here. I'm gonna take y'all different places. I got like some videos in mind, some trips in mind, places I want to go, things I want to do, people I want to see. Y'all saw that? Your boy getting fake nice on this. I ain't even gonna hold you. See, this the park I was talking about. Quiet, relax. That's this side of Broadway. If you know, you know what the other side of Broadway is like. But we on this side of Broadway, so. Alright, let's see if we can fake make it up this hill. It's kind of steep. Alright, scooter, no problem. Making it up. What we doing? 12 miles per hour going uphill. And I'm not even hitting it all the way. We got to make this left turn. True, because word. Why not? True. Alright, we going back to where I was gonna take out the first time and wrap this video up. But about the camera angle, that was a big thing in the other video too. Like I was constantly tweaking and trying to get it right, fine tuning. But mind you, I'm wearing my motorcycle helmet, my Scorpion. If you watch my channel, you saw I did a short on it or whatever. So I'm rocking this for now because I got a mountain bike style helmet on the way. I don't want to mess up the name, but I think it's like the Bell Super Air R, something like that. But it's supposed to be made for this type of weather. It's more like ventilated. So I'm just rocking this until that comes. It should come one day this week. I say all that to say is that the camera angle I might have to tweak again once I get that helmet, so I'm not gonna go crazy with it. I wasn't even gonna record this video, and depending on how the footage look, if you know the camera angle is not right, then I won't upload it. I'll do another video later. Whoa. Cause I have like I said, a helmet on the way and a chin mount for that helmet on the way. I really want to do like a chin mount POV for these type of videos, so y'all could look the way I'm looking. I could just do like the go the chest mount route, because I bought a chin mount and it was still like a little too high, but I did mess up because when I was recording the other video, I had the point of view or field of view set to standard, so that's why the handlebars wasn't showing. So if I had the chin mount with the wide view that I have now, I'm sure I would have been able to get more of the handlebars in that. But then it'll be like a static shot, like you just seeing whatever's ahead of me. I don't know if y'all want that or if y'all prefer the chin mount. I'm used to the chin mount setup because of my motovlog videos, so we'll see how that goes. But for now, we reached the end of the ride. Let me try to make this turn. Bang. Oh, we skilling it. I told y'all we fake nice on this now. We pull up over here in the shade. Yup. Bang. Easy work. Nice. Alright. So like I was saying, wrap up this video. I'm gonna do some more riding, but I'm not gonna record because I didn't charge my camera battery enough. But yeah, this is it, y'all. We outside on the NAVEE tweaks. These mirrors, yesterday I had 2 of these Segway mirrors on, but I felt like my hands was constantly wrestling with the mirrors for space on the bar. See, every time it always leans over, and then I'm not dealing with that. But I ordered a mirror that goes right here, just one, so hopefully that'll solve that problem. And what else did I order for this? I think that's pretty much it. I was thinking about getting one of those rear view cameras, but we're not doing all of that. But anyway, like I said, sitting here yapping. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you know, hit that like button. It's free. And if you want to see more stuff like this or other content, consider subscribing. As this guy is going, no, that's a gal. Who knows? Consider subscribing, and until the next one, deuces.